All right, I just received high quality wireless headphone by nuroum. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's open Bluetooth earphones. Gives you a little information on the sidelines. All right, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. See if we can get it out of the box. Okay, here we go. So far, so good. See if we can figure out the combination to this thing. Somebody got way too much engineering into this box. What the hell? Is it? Oh, here we go. That was ridiculous. All right, so here's the inside of the box. You do get some instructions. You get a card. It's a warranty card. You got to send that in. And here they are. Cha-ching. Bam. Interesting, huh? Take a look at them. So these go right into your ears. And I would imagine you've got to charge them up. So I'm looking for a charge port on them. It's kind of weird. I don't see it. Oh, look at this. So there must be a way that, oh, here. What's in here? This must be the way that we charge them. Let's see what kind of device they have. This is interesting. Look at this, completely different from anything that I've ever seen before. Look at that. So we plug this into a block, and then bam, Bob's your uncle. That's how you charge it. So on the side here, I believe this is going to go right there. Oh no, you can feel it. It's like a magnet. So you've got to get it on the right way. So that's the way that it goes on. So let me show you this. If you try to push it this way, you can feel the repulsive nature of the magnet. It's pushing it away. So to charge it, you're going to go like this. And then we've got to plug this into a block. And then we'll charge it and we'll try these bad boys out. This is very cool. I mean, it's something, I've never seen this kind of charging device before. So this is a new system that they've come up with, and very interesting. So we'll have to try these out and see what we think of them. All right, so let's go ahead and charge it up. Let's plug it in, and we'll let it charge. All right, so let's go ahead and plug these in. As you can see, I've got a charging block right here. All I'm going to do is just plug it in there. And then it should have some kind of light or something on the side here that tells us that it's charging. Oh, there we go. All right, so we're just going to let this charge. I think that's going to go green when it's ready. So we'll just leave these here, and and then we'll come back and check them out afterwards. All right, check it out. Looks like we're ready to rock and try these bad boys out. All right, you're probably wondering how you get this thing on. So you've got to go behind your head like this, and I'm going to try to get up over my thing, and then you're going to slide it on your ears like this. All right, you follow me? So yeah, it's a little, it's behind my head. It's not on the top or it's not underneath. It's behind. I don't think you guys can see it. So now, it's pretty stable too, because it's definitely not going to fall out. And it doesn't feel like it's smushing into my ear, which I think is pretty cool. Let's check and see if we've got our Bluetooth yet. It's probably good to read the directions. This right here is up and down, all right? So if you look on here, you're going to see a plus and a minus. That's for the sound, how loud you're going to do it. On the back is the turn it on button, okay? So this is the one you press to turn it on. To turn this on, I've got to press this and hold it. You're going to hear some music. All right, so now this should be discoverable. So let's go ahead and put it on our head. Smush this back, pop this up. So remember, press and hold, okay? Press and hold. All right, now let's go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is off. Let's turn it on. Turning Bluetooth on. Now it should be discoverable. Look, there it is. All right. Oh my God. Let's hit it. Oh, I'm in. So look, check it out. We are connected. We're in. All right, now let's just go to, I guess, Apple Music. Do you want to do that? Oh, let's go to YouTube. I'll just put YouTube on. All right, so I got YouTube on. All right. And I'm just going to open up one of my videos. And I'm going to play one of my original songs, Saltwater Cowboy. I'm going to hit the play button right here. All right, we got to hit play again. Okay, it's doing it. All right, here we go. Let you guys hear it. Set that there. Can you hear it? Let me flip it this way. That's it right there. All right, so that is, hang on, let me put it on here like this. I think now you can see it better. All right, now here. So this is the music and the video at the same time. So these things work really, really good until they fall off of the thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.